This is the third day of Vlogmas. And it's Black Friday. So, guys, we're starting the vlog so late. It's like 5:30. We have not been out for Black Friday shopping. Bless you.
I actually had to work today, so.
Yeah. And I think it's also a little bit different because this year all the retailers did the Black Friday sales starting like the beginning of November. So we didn't necessarily have to wake up at 6 a.m. and like, you know, get certain deals early in the morning. So we're getting a very late start to the day, but we figured we would just run past Target really quick, see what they got, and potentially grab some things. Not quite sure, but say hi, Mama. Mommy had her first Thanksgiving leftover plate this morning, as per usual. I mean, not per usual, but you know how like everybody, you have a Thanksgiving plate the next day.
Yeah, they done had like 3 Thanksgiving plates. Tell them, mamas.
Oh my
She
gosh.
had like 3 Thanksgiving
Stop,
plates.
Mama. Stop, Mama.
She loved herself a Hawaiian roll.
Hey, yo, Aniya did not have no daggone Hawaiian rolls.
She didn't?
No, she didn't. I didn't give her none yesterday or today. She loved that macaroni and cheese though. But yeah, Thanksgiving was lit yesterday. It was cool. It was different because it was, you guys know, you've seen our holiday vlogs before. If our entire families were here, it'd be about like 25 people in here. But we were able to get it down to just 10 of us, including us. So that was really good. So I also wanted to say, this has been my very first Black Friday as a business owner. And that has just been so exciting. I had a lot of people sign up as members today. And the day isn't even over. What time is it? I think I said it's like, oh yeah, it's 5:30. The day isn't even over, so I'm excited to see like how many new members I have by the end of the day. Yeah, that's gonna be really exciting. And then another thing, for all of my pre-existing Cooking with Lawn members, I sent them free Starbucks this morning to kind of help them out and fuel them to kind of get out of bed and get on with their Black Friday shopping. So that was really exciting, and a lot of people like messaged me and said thank you. So I'm excited about that, and it was really happy. I said it was really happy. I was really happy to be able to do that for them. So yeah. So now we're about to head to Target and we'll check in with you guys once we get there. I like these wooden games. This is something we can have in the basement because you guys know we have like that like masculine wood theme going on in the basement. So, technically Connect 4, but a wooden set, which is really nice. What else is this? Solitaire. I don't know how to play solitaire like this. And then chess, dominoes. These look like these are good sturdy games. Okay, and can I just say that I'm really disappointed. Every single year Target does, or at least for like the last 2 or 3 years, Target has done the 20% off of all women's clothing, and they do the thing where it's like if you spend $50 or like $100, then they'll give you a 20% off coupon to use like at the beginning of December, and they didn't do that this year. So just gonna walk past this entire section, but maybe they'll have like I don't know, other sales for around Christmas. Who knows? Even like the Stars Above PJs, I wanted those to go on sale, and they didn't have it. Mommy, you looking up? You guys remember this little insert? We bought this back out because it's starting to get cold. So this came out like a week or so ago. Say hi, Mama. Say hi, baby. Baby, say hi. There we go. Oh, you know what? I want to look in the baby's the kids' shoe department. Oh, you know what? I was looking for these online. They said they did not have them, but they do have them. Large. Oh, these are medium. These are so cute. I have these. I've been trying to find like these slippers. I already have a set of these, but they're not hard bottom like this from Target. But I wanted to find them in like size large because I think these are actually like the kids' slippers, but they are sold out everywhere. Oh my gosh, y'all. Aniya needs these little onesies so bad. She just needs some regular little bodysuits to go under her sleepers at night. Oh, these look like, oh my gosh, these are so soft. Oh my gosh, they are so soft. Little ball pit.
Slash piano.
Oh shoot.
Hi there, it's me, Minnie Mouse. Are you ready to make some music?
Hey yo.
3 different ways to play, and some really rockin' songs too.
Who's that, Mama?
You can create your
Oh, they
own
got the
music
Mickey one.
like
Yeah, you gotta
piano songs.
press the Mickey one and
You
see.
wanna dance with me and Daisy? Now come on. Are you ready to make some music? With 3 different ways
Are you ready to make some music with Mickey?
to you want to start. All you got to do is press any of the
I feel like she knows that's Mickey's voice.
get started.
Like I feel like she definitely knows that's his Mickey and Minnie's voice.
Something like that.
What is that?
I'm just saying.
Okay. Okay, now Target. These were not here all this time that I've been shopping for stuff. And now it's right here. But nah, I don't have nowhere to put this. So we just got back from Target and I wanted to show you guys what I got. It kind of sucked because this Black Friday I really didn't do much shopping for myself. I definitely got a lot of Christmas gifts for everybody else. I got like tiny things for myself here and there. But yeah, I did a lot of Black Friday shopping online and I would typically show you guys everything that I got for Black Friday. But this year I can't because 98% of it are Christmas gifts for other people who watch our channel. So it sucks, but once I kind of start receiving some of the stuff that I did order for myself, I'll just show you guys that throughout Vlogmas. So yeah, so from Target I got the Dr. Teal's foaming bath in the Relax and Relief like the eucalyptus and spearmint line. So I got that after Thanksgiving, guys, yesterday, and cooking all that food. That kind of wore me out and I definitely am overdue for like a hot bath and just like soak and relax. And then I also got the Dr. Teal's the Epsom salt in the eucalyptus line. So I picked that up to take a nice long bath tonight. And then for Aniya, she's been a little bit congested. Okay, and so for Aniya, she's been a little bit congested. So outside of the other things that I'm already doing for her, I got her these Frida Baby Breathe bath bombs. So they're just like bath bombs that let off like vapor, almost like eucalyptus, that like aroma, that smell, so that it can kind of open her up a little bit. Her congestion is not bad. It's just I can hear it and it kind of annoys me, so I want to do what I can. And then I told you guys I got her some of those white little short sleeve onesies just as like undershirts for her to wear under her pajamas. And then I showed you guys these before. This is the Threshold brand coupe bowl, and I like these because they're nice and wide. And so we use these for like if I'm making ramen, I'll use it for that. It's really great for soup, but we just needed a few more because I have some, but it's just not enough. And I'm actually doing a brunch with my girlfriends on this Sunday. It's just 2 of my friends that are coming over that I have not seen in so long. So we're just kind of getting together, and I'm going to make some shrimp and grits, and these are like the best bowls for that. And then also for our little girls brunch, I got these little carafes, and they have like these gold rims. So cute. These were literally only $5 and they're like really hard plastic. So I'm going to use these to put in like OJ and maybe like cranberry juice or mango juice or whatever the juices that we're going to have for our mimosa. So it's going to be really, really delicious and really fun. And I thought it would go well with like the gold stuff that I already have for Thanksgiving. We had a lot of that left over. So yeah, I thought I would stick with the kind of gold theme. So that's all we got. Like I said, as Black Friday orders come in, I'll show you guys what I'm able to. But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. We're about to just probably like hang out, watch a movie or something, and I'm gonna take a bath, and yeah, we'll see you in the morning. Hey guys, so it's the next day and we decided to continue our Black Friday shopping. We're actually out with some of our family right now. We're about to head into Burlington. Say hey, baby.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's up?
Yeah, I am. You know, Burlington, we kind of got spoiled by Burlington when we lived in New Jersey. So hopefully they got some good stuff for us in here. We shall see. So let's head inside. So y'all, I picked this up. It has this white little base and it's like a little flock tree. I thought this was so cute. They have just so much stuff. But oh, you over there, Miss? They have so much stuff for babies. Like, I'm so excited. This is the same stuff we buy out of Carter's. This is $5, and I'm sure I didn't pay $5 for it in Carter's. Oh, look at this. This little snowsuit. This is so cute.
You say 9 months or 6 to 9 months?
9 months. Oh, yeah, 6 to 9 months. Or like 9 to 12. Whichever. Also gotta find Aniya a cute little birthday dress. So I'm looking for that as well. This is so precious. This is so cute.
She definitely gonna be able to fit 12 months next year.
These little cake, what are these called? I don't know what they're called, but these are so cute. I have no use for them, but they are super cute. Oh, baby, we've been needing some coasters. Oh, I'll get these for the house for Christmas. Yes, how much are these? These are only $7.99. Yeah, we definitely need these. Alright guys, brief intermission. We went into Sam's Club and like got some groceries. I'll do a Sam's Club haul a little bit later, but
You got my keys?
yes,
Where's the piece?
you have it. But now we are about to go into this TJ Maxx Home Goods combo store.
Grab it now, young.
Yeah, I got it. They have not seen you all day. Say hi, mommy. Say hi, baby. There we go. My little stinker Buddha.
They not open?
Who?
They are open.
So it looks like
Run in
this.
there real quick.
TJ Maxx Home Goods. Yeah, we can run in there.
Didn't want to be a section.
Real quick, going to GameStop with this one. Thank you.
Camera.
This is so cute.
We went to GameStop.
So cute.
Oh, this is nice.
This is nice too. I kind of like this. Oh, I like that big bowl.
They got the lemon cucumbers in the bottle already. Look.
What?
The lemons and cucumbers.
Cucumbers.
What is this 80?
The drink.
So it's probably got a lot of additives and stuff in it, though, right? But this is fun.
What you talking about, Chan? Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. Like, I don't do, like, I would have no point to have this in my house. Like, it's way too fancy. Like, I would get, oh my goodness. Now, I think I would definitely use the martini glasses, just not the champagne glasses. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. How beautiful. They got a bunch of different stuff. In the frosty air. This is so pretty. So pretty. Hey guys, so we just got back from a long day of shopping, super tired, but I wanted to show you guys what we got really quick. So one of the things that I'm really excited about is this Brookstone automatic wine opener. We are long overdue for an automatic wine opener like this, and when we saw that it was Brookstone, it was a really inexpensive price. We went ahead and got that. This is not really anything, but we got Aniya some of these Happy Baby organic teethers. She loves these, and they had this big box. We also got this, the complete keto cookbook. It just looked like an interesting cookbook, so we picked this up. We also got some Christmas gift bags, and then we got some assorted Christmas gift boxes for like clothes and just like different things that we want to put in the box. We also got this, which I'm really excited about. I love this doormat. The doormat that we got from Target that I showed you guys in my previous haul is too small for our front door. It just doesn't look right. It's not very proportionate, and this one is much bigger. So yeah, we picked this up, and I'm actually about to swap this out right now. And maybe I'll put the other one at the garage. But yeah, that is all we got. I would show you guys what I got from Sam's Club, but it's really not exciting, and I am just so worn out. Okay, it was basically just chicken, shrimp, salmon, bacon, and turkey bacon. So we are about to take it down. Thank you guys so much for watching this next day of Vlogmas. I think this is Vlogmas day 3, and we will see you guys tomorrow. You want to say good night, baby?
Good night.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it